5 human skills that will make you unstoppable. In 2026, the world is changing fast. AI is getting smarter, machines are doing more work. But here's the truth most people miss: the future does not belong to machines. It belongs to humans who master skills that technology can never replace. Today, I'll share 5 powerful human skills that can change your life and your income by 2026. If you develop even one of these, you already have an edge. Let's begin. Skill 1: notice what others don't. Most people walk through life on autopilot. They see the world, but they don't really observe it. Opportunities often hide inside small problems, problems so normal that people stop noticing them. Think about daily frustrations, things that waste time, things that feel annoying but not important enough to talk about. That's where ideas are born. Successful businesses don't always start with big inventions. They start with simple questions like, why is this still a problem? Why hasn't anyone fixed this yet? Train yourself to watch people, listen to complaints, pay attention to tiny inconveniences. What looks useless to others can be valuable to you. Skill 2: communicate in a way that moves people. Communication is not about using big words, it's not about sounding smart. Real communication changes how people feel. And when feelings change, actions follow. Great communicators don't just talk, they connect, they listen first, they understand what the other person wants, fears, or dreams. Then they speak in a way that feels personal. If you want influence, keep your message simple. Use stories instead of explanations. Speak with honesty, not perfection. When people feel understood, they trust you, and trust opens every door. Skill 3: learn fast and adapt faster. The biggest mistake today is thinking you must be ready before you start. The world doesn't reward perfection, it rewards speed and flexibility. Things will change, skills will expire, trends will disappear. Those who survive are not the smartest. They are the ones who adjust quickly. Be willing to look foolish while learning, drop your ego, experiment, fail fast, improve faster. Learning is no longer about degrees, it's about how quickly you can upgrade yourself. Skill 4: stay calm when pressure is high. Anyone can stay positive when life is easy. The real test comes during stress. Pressure reveals character. When others panic, slow down. When emotions rise, pause. When chaos hits, stay steady. This skill alone can separate leaders from followers. Emotional control is not natural, it is trained. Start small, delay your reaction, breathe before responding, think instead of exploding. Calm decisions create long term success, emotional reactions create regret. Skill 5: act before you feel ready. Most dreams die because of waiting, waiting for confidence, waiting for money, waiting for the right time. The truth is simple: clarity comes after action, not before. Start where you are, use what you have, improve as you move. Every successful person began without knowing everything. They learned by doing. Action creates momentum, momentum creates motivation, and motivation creates results. If you want a different future, move now. Closing machines will keep getting smarter, but these 5 skills will always belong to humans. Observe deeply, communicate clearly, adapt quickly, control your emotions, and take action without fear. The future is not coming, it's already here. The question is, will you be ready for it?